So hello everyone, this is my first video and we're going to play Roblox. It's 10:39 p.m. and let's go na. Ay, first video ba to? Ay, hindi. This is my not first video because alam nyo na ganun. Okay, let's play. Or no, what happened? Oh. This is I always play Grow Garden because I'm bored. My money is 900 billion and I'm going to shoot the wait, I'm going to search. This is not the long video this time because I just like guys, do you speak Tagalog? Because when I'm speaking English, my English is bad. Because my classmate said my English is bad. I don't know why. Okay, I'm going to flex. This is my garden. Of course, first time dragonfly. And wait. Alamin nyo na lang This is beanstalk, may coconut, basta lahat. All of the that I have. And, ayun, bye-bye.